Imagine sitting on a quiet morning as rain gently falls. The world feels calm, inviting you to pause and reflect. This serenity is what Vipassana meditation embodies, a state of mind that allows us to observe life as it is, without clinging or rejecting. In this video, we delve into the practice of Vipassana meditation, exploring its significance, steps, and transformative potential. Vipassana is not merely a method but a journey into self-awareness. Let us understand its origins and how you can apply it to find peace in an ever-changing world. The term Vipassana is derived from Pali, meaning insight or clear seeing. Unlike other forms of meditation focused on concentration, Vipassana encourages us to observe the reality of the present moment. The Buddha described Vipassana as a method to see things as they truly are, free from the distortions of attachment and aversion. This practice forms the foundation of mindfulness, emphasizing observation over reaction. The Buddha's teachings highlight the impermanence of life. He advises, "Do not dwell in the past, it is gone. Do not dream of the future, it has not yet come. Instead, focus on the present, where life unfolds in its rawest form." Vipassana meditation requires patience, discipline, and an open mind. Here's a step-by-step guide. Find a quiet place. Sit comfortably in a chair or on the floor. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Observe the present moment. Pay attention to your breath or sensations in your body. Notice thoughts and emotions without judgment. Be the observer. Imagine watching traffic pass by. Each thought is a vehicle. Observe it come and go without trying to stop or follow it. Acknowledge impermanence. Recognize that all sensations, whether pleasant or unpleasant, are impermanent. Let happiness, sadness, or anger arise and fade without clinging. Suppose someone insults you. In that moment, their words are fleeting. They exist only in the present. Yet, hours later, you might still replay those words in your mind, fueling anger or sadness. Vipassana teaches us to observe this mental recreation and let it go, recognizing that the insult has already passed. Even positive experiences, like praise or achievement, are impermanent. Clinging to them can create expectations, leading to disappointment. By observing joy without attachment, we embrace the present without fearing its end. As you practice Vipassana, one profound realization becomes evident: impermanence, anicca. Everything, our thoughts, feelings, and sensations, arises and fades away. This understanding liberates us from suffering caused by attachment and aversion. Vipassana helps us cultivate equanimity, a state of balanced mind that remains undisturbed by life's highs and lows. Take a moment to practice this exercise. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Observe your breath. Feel it enter and leave your body. Notice any thoughts or feelings that arise. Do not judge or react. Simply observe. If your mind wanders, gently return to your breath. Vipassana is not just a meditation technique, but a way of life. In the next section, we will explore how this practice can transform relationships, decision-making, and our understanding of happiness. By integrating Vipassana into daily life, we unlock the potential to live with clarity, compassion, and inner peace. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these applications and discover how Vipassana can reshape our interactions with the world. Don't forget to subscribe to Buddhism in Modern Life for more insights into Buddhist practices and their relevance in today's world. Your support helps us continue sharing these timeless teachings. Nam Budhaya. Vipassana meditation begins with moments of silence, but its power truly unfolds when applied to the complexities of daily life. While the first step is to observe sensations without reacting, the ultimate goal is to integrate this practice into every thought, decision, and interaction. In this section, we will explore how Vipassana transforms 1. Relationships 2. Emotional resilience 3. Decision-making 4. Our understanding of happiness and purpose 1. Transforming relationships through awareness. At the core of Vipassana lies the principle of non-reactivity. This approach has profound implications for how we relate to others. Imagine a heated argument with a loved one. Without mindfulness, emotions take over. Anger may lead to hurtful words, escalating the conflict. Through Vipassana, you observe the rising anger without letting it dictate your actions. This space between stimulus and response allows you to choose a compassionate and constructive reply. Next time you feel triggered in a conversation, pause and take 3 deep breaths. Notice the sensations in your body, whether it's a tightening chest or a racing heart. Remind yourself that these feelings are impermanent. Respond only when you feel centered. By cultivating this awareness, relationships become less about control or dominance and more about understanding and mutual respect. 2. Building emotional resilience. Vipassana equips us to face life's inevitable challenges with greater calm and clarity. Emotional resilience doesn't mean suppressing feelings, but understanding their impermanent nature. Consider the pain of losing a loved one. Vipassana teaches us to sit with our grief, neither pushing it away nor letting it consume us. By observing the ebb and flow of sadness, we begin to see that even the deepest sorrow will pass in time. Resilience is not the absence of pain, but the ability to endure it with grace. 3. Mindful decision-making. Our decisions often stem from ingrained habits, biases, or fleeting emotions. Vipassana fosters a deeper awareness, helping us make choices that align with our values and long-term goals. Imagine being torn between 2 job offers. One offers financial security, while the other aligns with your passions. Vipassana encourages you to observe your thoughts and emotions about each option without judgment. This clarity allows you to act from a place of wisdom rather than fear or desire. When faced with a difficult decision, set aside time for reflection. Practice Vipassana meditation to calm your mind, then write down your thoughts. This process often reveals the choice that resonates most with your inner truth. 4. Redefining happiness. Modern life often equates happiness with external achievements, wealth, status, or possessions. Vipassana challenges this notion by showing us that true contentment arises from within. Recall the satisfaction of enjoying a quiet moment, like watching the rain or sipping tea. Vipassana helps us savor these experiences fully, free from distractions or comparisons. By practicing mindfulness, we discover that happiness is not in chasing more, but in appreciating what already exists. Each day, take 5 minutes to focus on a simple activity, eating, walking, or even breathing. Pay attention to every detail and notice how this mindful presence enhances your experience. Vipassana and modern challenges. In today's fast-paced world, stress, anxiety, and burnout are rampant. Vipassana offers a refuge, a chance to pause, reflect, and reset. Suppose your to-do list feels endless. Instead of spiraling into panic, use Vipassana to ground yourself. Sit quietly and focus on your breath. As you observe the thoughts of stress arise and pass, you'll find yourself better equipped to tackle your tasks one at a time. At the heart of Vipassana is the understanding of impermanence, anicca. This realization transforms how we view life. We learn to cherish moments without clinging. We accept losses without despair. We face uncertainties with courage. This wisdom doesn't remove life's challenges, but equips us to navigate them with balance and insight. Practical tips for sustaining your practice. 1. Consistency over perfection. Dedicate even 5 minutes daily to mindfulness. Regular practice matters more than long sessions. 2. Create a supportive environment. Find a quiet space for meditation, free from distractions. You can also connect with a community of practitioners to stay motivated. 3. Integrate mindfulness into routine. Practice Vipassana while performing everyday activities, like eating or walking. These moments of awareness add up over time. Vipassana is more than a meditation technique. It's a way of seeing and living that brings profound peace. As you embark on this journey, remember that the path is not linear. There will be days of clarity and days of struggle. What matters is your commitment to return to the practice again and again. If you found value in these insights, consider sharing this journey with others. By subscribing to Buddhism in Modern Life, you support a community dedicated to exploring timeless wisdom in today's world. Together, we can make mindfulness a way of life. Through Vipassana, we uncover a truth that transforms our lives. Everything changes, yet within this impermanence lies a deep and abiding peace. As we learn to observe without reacting, We free ourselves from the chains of anger, fear, and longing. This journey requires patience, but its rewards are infinite. By cultivating mindfulness, we not only find personal peace, but also contribute to a more compassionate and harmonious world. Budhaya.